Hi friends, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. Today I will show you how to set up a Google Chat space for Teams. First, open your any web browser and navigate to chat.google.com and press enter. Once the page is open, you have to log in using your Google account credential. As you see, I am already logged in the page. After logging the page, you can access all the collaboration of Google Chat has to offer. Now that you are logged in, before proceed, there is something important you need to know. Google has rebranded the room features. Now it is called Space. So, whenever you see the team space throughout the interface, just remember that this is this is what you used to be referred to as rooms. To create your first space, look at the left side of your screen and click on New Chat. A menu will pop up. You will see there is many options. You have to click on Create Space. This action will open up a new window where you can customize your space settings and make it ready for your team. Now click on plus sign to choose a emoji which your team can easily recognize during chatting time. Now I'm going to select an emoji. I'm taking this. Then you have to give a space name. I'm giving Techie Dialogue. Now you have to click on Create button. Here your new space is ready. Now you have to add your team members. For this you have to click on Add Members. A window will pop up. Here you have to type the email address of your team members. Here I am typing one of my team member. Then you have to click on Add. Through this action, a invitation will send to your team member. Here you can see. When your team member accepts the invitation, then he can easily join on the space. Here you can see a chatting option. In this chatting option, you can communicate with your members very easily. You can also share any files like Microsoft Word, Excel, Notes, etc., which make your communication easy with your other team members. So that's it. Your Google Chat space is ready to use with your team. If you like this video, please share it, like and subscribe my channel. Take it down. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.